Day 17 from 0 to WordPress Hero end of the year challenge. And today I'll be talking about how you can add an image as a background to a particular section in your WordPress website. So yesterday we talked about how to add a grid to your website, but today we're talking about how you can add an image to a section on your website. So the first thing you need to do once you're logging into your Elementor is to find the particular section you want to use image as the background. Whichever section you want to use the image as the background, come to the section and then click on the menu. This is the menu. All right, so click on it and then it will bring up a section like this at the left hand side. So let's say I want to use image for this background. What I have to do is click on this and then to change to this section. I want to like start from beginning so we can all see. So click on it, and as you can see, it has changed. So you come to style, and then you come to background type. So you can use different stuff for background. You can use color. This is a color. You can use color. You can use image, and you can also use multiple colors. All right. So today we'll be using image. So all you have to do is come to this image, choose image, and then if you have the image in the media library already, maybe you've uploaded it to your WordPress already, you can just come to the media library and then pick it up. But if you don't have the image, then you come to upload. You select the file from your laptop and then you upload it into your WordPress. But I'm just gonna use a image here for the purpose of the tutorial, so I won't take much time. So let me find an image you can use. Let me just use this because of the practical. So now as you can see, there is an image at the background of the section. So this image is kind of like repeated on the section. As you can see, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3. Do you understand? So the image is repeated, so you want to stop that. You don't want that on your website, so you come to no repeat, and as you can see, this is the image now. So you can position it into a center, okay, and then another thing you can do is the attachment. So attachment is like if you want it to be fixed, so the image will be fixed to the section. Once you scroll on it, let's practicalize it. So now the image is fixed. If you scroll on it, can you see the image is not moving? But if you put the image on scroll, then once you scroll with it, the image will scroll. Do you understand? So you want to like whatever goes with your plan or your website design is where you should go with. All right, but for the purpose of this tutorial, I will put it at fix. Another thing you want to do is the display size. You want to like let it cover the whole section. So as you can see, the image is now covering the whole section and it's also fixed. So this is how to add an image as a background color or image for your section on your website. So this will be the end of the video. Please, if you have any topic you want to talk about, please drop it in the comment section, and you also find the video interesting, don't forget to drop a like and also subscribe. Thank you.